Can I speak to Mr. Sahil Vaid?
Yes, this is Sahil Vaid here.
May I take few minutes of yours?
Yes.
Sir, our company has a unique policy for people who are below.
Blah, 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 blah. Friends, this is Sahil here once again with you with a new topic of conversation. And this time, it is about saying yes and no. If you notice, in the conversation that I was having over the phone, most of my responses were yes or a no. Well, in life, many a times in our conversations, we have to say yeses and nos. This chapter deals with such situations where you are required to say yes and no. We will see several scenarios dealing with such situations. Please observe them and learn how to converse in such situations and use them in your daily life. This conversation book and CD has been made by Speakwell, specifically for learning how to do conversations in English. I hope you are making the most of it by watching these scenarios and practicing them in the classroom with your colleagues. You can even practice them at your home, in your room, and put them to good use in your daily life. The process of speaking good English starts with knowing and practicing. So friends, make the best use of this CD and book. This is Sahil Vaid signing off and wishing you best of luck in your effort to learn to speak good English. Bye-bye, Shabba Khair, और please English सीखिएगा.
You think having uniforms in school is important?
No, I don't. I think they're unnecessary.
But don't you feel that they help in creating discipline, uniformity, and belongingness among all?
Maybe. But they also tend to make school life boring without colorful dresses and smart hats.
Don't you think the tax is unfair?
I'm afraid I have to disagree with you.
It affects everybody.
Yes, and it also does some good as well.
Do you think students should be allowed to enter politics?
No, politics is not what they should do. They should study rather than wasting their time in politics.
But don't you think there is no harm in allowing them to enter politics, as they're the future of the nation? So why not let them do that?
I agree with what you said. However, the nation incurs expenses for providing them education. At the same time, I am not against allowing them from entering politics. All I want to say is, a student should study and acquire knowledge. Politics can be done at a later stage of life. Are you coming for a movie with us on this weekend?
I'm afraid I can't come. I have to attend a family function.
Going to a movie without you will be no fun. Shall we plan it for the next week?
I think you guys should go ahead, as I am not sure about the next week as well. I might be out of town for a family get-together.
I think you are avoiding coming along with us. Is that so?
Not at all. It's only that I have already made commitments for attending these events. I promise the next time you guys plan to go out somewhere, I will definitely be there.
Hi, good to see you online. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you? After a long time?
Yes, was busy with a few projects.
Okay. And how is life in USA?
Nothing new. You tell me, how is it in India?
Pretty good. When are you returning to India?
I want to return as soon as possible. But my family is not yet prepared for it.
You should make them understand that India has developed a lot.
No, they don't understand. They just don't want to live in India.
All right. In that case, you should plan to spend your vacation in India. Maybe when they come here, they would understand.
Yes, that sounds good. I will try.
Good. I'm sure it'll work.
Doesn't Leela drive to office?
No, she doesn't. She travels by train.
Okay.
See, the trains are the lifeline of Mumbai, so...
I've heard this many times. What makes them so special in Mumbai?
See, Mumbai is a very large city, and traveling is a challenge, especially traveling by road.
But there are such beautiful and wide roads with traffic signals installed at every place.
I agree, but see, traffic congestion is a common phenomenon which wastes time. Trains, on the other hand, are faster. They save time